welcome back to my channel. I have a very interesting video for you guys today. If you know me well on this channel, you know that I share a lot of weight loss remedies. Like, I have a lot. So if you are looking for how to shed weight, this video is not for you. Nah, this video is not for you. And I have had a lot of people that have also sent me messages like, come on, why would you just share weight loss remedies, like how to shed weight, how to lose belly fat, how to do this, how to do that? It is not everybody that wants to shed weight. And I thought about it that sincerely, that is the truth. Not everybody wants to shed weight. Some people are looking for how to even gain weight, and I even get this more on my Instagram page. Like, if I share remedies, some people will tell me that, why don't you share remedies for how to gain weight as well, and not just gain weight, gain it in a very healthy way. People want to add some weight, they want to have like healthy fat, but they don't want it to just have like unwanted like baggage to them, and I totally understand. So the goal is to remain curvy, to remain like healthy. Even if you want to be big, the goal is to remain healthy while you're at it. And I'm going to be sharing a milkshake or remedy that I love so much, which I have recommended to people, and they've come back to tell me that it's really helped them. So if you want to gain weight and gain it well, gain it right, gain it in the healthy way, in the right places, with the right proportion, junk, all those kind of like very processed food might make you gain weight, but not in a very healthy manner. So let's just make this milkshake that you're going to be taking, or a smoothie which you can take, and it's going to make you gain weight in a very healthy way. So join me as I share this with you. Let's go, guys. So in order to make this weight gain drink, you need 4 basic elements. You can combine some other things along the way, but these are like the most basic that you should start with. And we're going to be using number 1, peanut butter. Peanut butter has healthy proteins and healthy fats. So even if you want to gain weight, you need to like do it in a very healthy way and not just pile up junk. Second is banana. Of course, banana has a lot of vitamins, nutrients, potassium, calcium. Is a healthy form of carbohydrate, and it also helps to build up lean muscles in your body. We're going to be using milk, of course, dairy in any form. You can use any kind of milk you want. I'm using normal dairy in this case. You can use soy milk, you can use almond, you can use coconut milk. But if you want to add some weight, I would advise you to use the normal dairy cow milk. And lastly, we're going to be using some oats. Oats are healthy forms of carbohydrates, and they help to build muscles, and they help you to gain weight in the right places. So we're going to be making a smoothie with this combination, and I'm just going to combine all this in my smoothie jug right here. So just go ahead and peel your banana. The next thing we're going to be adding is peanut butter, and you can use 2 teaspoons of peanut butter. Next, you're going to be adding our overnight oats. I advise you to soak your oats like so overnight. This is an easier way for you to make oats without you cooking them, and it's going to digest properly as well. And finally, we're going to be adding some milk. Blend this properly, guys. So this is our weight gain drink. It's just like a milkshake. It's really so yummy. Like, you need to drink this if you have the desire to add some weight in the right places of your body. Guys, so this is the drink. Can you see how creamy and like how, like from this glass, you can almost feel like how rich it is. This is how rich you need your smoothie or your milkshake to be. If you want to gain weight and gain it well, most people want to gain weight, add weight in the right places, but of course you don't want to have belly fat, you don't want to have like all those love handles and unwanted weight gain. You need to have a very nice curve. So this is one way for you to do this, because you are having healthy calories, you are ingesting healthy calories that are going to like give you the desired weight gain you want. So if you want to add weight properly, I would advise you to take this glass, at least 1 or 2 glasses. You might not take it every day, you might take this like every other day, like doing this 3 times a week is really going to help you. You're going to be piling up healthy calories to your body. If you want to gain weight, you have to gain it the healthy and right way. So continue drinking this and you will see that in no time you add weight in the right places. I'm not going to be drinking this because I don't want to gain weight. I would rather want to shed weight, but this is for those that honestly everybody is not like the same, so people really need to gain weight and gain it healthily. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in subsequent videos. Bye.